Yeah, but, ooh, what kind of cucumber is that? My God! My God! It's the first time I say cucumber like this.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Sarah, come here. Tyler, let's go. Book down. Book down. Say morning to the faves. Why are you so angry? Oh, I'm scared. You want to read your book? All right, go get your mask. Fast, go. Hi faves, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, I'm talking to you, but I'm heading out right away. We are doing a quick supermarket run today. So we're heading out, girl. We're heading. Sarah, come, let's go. Sarah, let's go. Sarah, how are you guys doing? We're heading out right now, doing a quick supermarket run to get back so we can rest in the afternoon. Resting is in order for the rest of the crew. Look at this girl. Say good morning. Say good. Good. Hello. Okay. Ready to go? Ready to go? Ready? Yes? You're so cute. Look at her. Good morning, baby.
Mama, can we take a picture?
Yes, we can take a picture when we reach outside. I have the phone in my hand, but we gotta go right now, okay? Alright, let's go, Sarah. Tell her you're stepping on your sister pacifier.
Oh, sorry. Because this was a bump in our house.
Supermarket we go. Supermarket we go. Shh. Sarah, no running. Don't tell her stop run. Let she stop run. She gonna fall. She don't know how to walk, you know. Tyler said don't run because she's going to follow you. Sarah, take a photo with Tai. Say cheese. You can do it right where you are. Sarah, come stand beside Tai and say cheese. Stand beside Tai. Go give Tai a hug. Go give Tai a hug. Go give Tai a hug. Give Tai a hug. Hug. Say cheese. Look at Mama. Look, Sarah, look at Mama. What you left? I didn't get to talk to you guys much. I was saying that we're heading out to the supermarket right now. I need to take down my braids, so I just throw on a quick head wrap from African Fabs. You know, African Fabs keep my head accessories lit. Anyway, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay low, stay blessed, stay motivated. We have supermarket errands to run, and then we're gonna get back and probably rest for the day and get some other stuff done. But if you're first time here to the channel, be sure to subscribe. My name is Mel. That's Tyler behind me. Husband is Ludovic. We call him Ludo, and little baby girl is Sarah. Anyway, you guys, we are heading out right now. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated, stay encouraged. Mama is talking. Mama is talking. Yes, Ty. Show Faves, Papa. Faves already see Papa. Faves, see Papa there. Alright, let's go. Shit. called Leclair. We love shopping at Leclair. We love Leclair. These supermarkets have everything inside. And the prices are affordable for the things that they sell in there.
And the fruits and vegetables are very cheap.
Yes. Let's go to Leclair. Of course, there had to be a food court. Flunch is right there. Flunch for lunch. Flunch for lunch.
Je vais aux affaires de suite, d'accord?
Hein?
Je vais de suite aux affaires de taille.
Oui, but you guys, I have my little helpers. Baby's in another section trying to find something for school for Tyler. So I'm doing the shopping until babe is finished. So Tyler have the list and Mama is picking up. Celery, Tyler, cross it off please. Very good. We are back from the supermarket.
Is it Queen of the African Fabs? Do the first half.
No, I am not the queen of the African Fabs at all. Wrong.
Yes, you are.
Wrong. I just love African Fabs. The owner is the queen. Jane is the queen. Remember Jane?
Yes.
And Jack and Jaybird. Alright, you guys. Let's do this. Look at these two. What are you two starting already?
Preparing myself mentally for all of the food that you're gonna give.
That me gonna give or that you gonna give?
You're gonna give.
Me. It's you and Tyler. Come, let's go.
But Mama, you have good faith in French.
Alright, you guys, look.
Why not say it in Jamaican?
Men have a fanny pack. Something I thought growing up that I would never, ever, ever wear. I hated this thing growing up. I think it was for tourists and it just looked silly. I hated it growing up. But my mama bought me this. Thank you, Mama. Since they robbed me in Paris, Mommy said, girl, I'm sending you a fanny pack. You need one? And she did. I came home and it was
You know how you call that in French?
What?
Banane.
Why banana?
I don't know, we call that banana.
Banana.
Look who is here for the supermarket haul. Look. Who is there?
She's not there for the supermarket haul. She's here to eat everything.
She's
That's
here
not
to
the
give
dictionary. That's not
Give me
dictionary.
kiss. Give Mama keys. Give Mama keys.
Porte
Mwah.
rouge.
Right.
Anyway, you guys, let's do this.
Porte
Look at the face.
rouge.
Say hello to the
Right.
faves. Is the faves there? Look. Look
Go
there. Look
Tyler.
here.
Go Tyler.
Look up.
Go Tyler.
Look up.
Go Tyler.
Ooh. Ooh, you're the boss.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna tear up your heels.
Come, we're not start yet.
I already started. They don't want to start. Porte vue. Porte vue.
What is porte-vue?
Porte-vue is
Tell them
something
because it's usually
to
one
put
that's
inside the document.
Mama, you.
Mama don't know this word in English.
Mama.
Mama don't know what country she from.
Mama.
She don't use no rubber, ruler, nothing at school. When you ask her, what's the name of this? Me no know. Me no know. And Tyler using the French word in the English sentence. Nobody calls
Sometimes
it.
our turn. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Fake one.
That's what he did up to me last week.
Fake one
Come.
trying to copy. Fake one trying to copy. Fake one trying to copy.
Mama.
You should get a red card for this.
Yes, Dad.
Red card, by the way.
Mama.
Yes, Dad.
When I say something in French, you tell this thing you tell this in English because you're the first one that speaks English that step in this house.
Okay. So tell them in French.
Mouchoir.
What is called in English?
You tell them.
No.
You tell
In
them.
paper towel.
Paper towel, you got that paper towel?
Yeah.
You look at that?
Serviette.
Mouchoir.
Okay.
Okay. What's the current name for this? Paper towel.
Sweets. That's a
Go
dictionary.
ahead.
Dictionary.
Dictionary was on Tyler book.
Tyler's a big boy, so that's his first dictionary.
Tyler, you're gonna love this book. Papa gonna explain to you later what it is. It's almost every word that exists in it and what it means. So if you say, Mama, what does mouchoir means? You go to M, find mouchoir, and it tells you what the meaning of mouchoir is. What are you thinking out your nose? You thinking for gold?
I can look what dictionary.
No, not
First of all is a French dictionary. Second one, when Papa has something inside his hand, you don't take it. Have some manners. Oh, it's not a. It's for Tyler to bring that to school.
Mix, I don't know how to say in French or in English.
Oh, we have some quinoa. Why you take quinoa?
Why not?
Why don't you take some fries and good things?
There is fries here.
Compote.
Crepe.
Crepe is a mess for Tyler.
Piece of pork.
Oh, that's
Biscuit,
good.
bateau.
Like in the store, they always have like a
Biscuit or bateau.
Yes,
like
bateau
a
biscuit.
made rotisserie. You say rotisserie?
Yes, rotisserie.
Like a rotisserie power, you can
Biscuit
get
de
chicken and
Tyler Papa is speaking.
thing like
Don't do
this.
that.
Biscuit de avocat. I don't know what this boy is
Biscuit de
talking.
avocat.
Biscuit de avocat.
Where you see that?
It has written on it.
Here.
It's the avocado. It says, look, avocado.
So where you see avocat?
Guys, we went at the supermarket trying to get the BO1, but the BO1 was the last one, so we couldn't get the amount we want. So we tried new one, coconut biscuit, still at the bio, with a score of B. B is like Tyler. Tyler get B.
That's really good.
So I think that I should find something like a C for Tyler. Tyler deserves a C. So you're gonna eat a lot of beetroot?
No.
I'm listening to you now.
No, they say carrots makes you nice in French. I don't know if they tell you that in English. They say the carrot in French, eat carrot and you get nice.
No,
So
that's
Tyler needs a lot of carrot to turn nice, because he's not nice at all. He deserves carrot. A lot of carrot every day. So we have peach for Tyler, of course. Then we have juice for Tyler. Oh, Tyler get the E. Tyler turn an E. He failed completely. Look at his behavior.
That juice score is
He
E.
deserves E. Yes, the juice score is E.
You know that full of sugar if it's score E. My
So we
God.
have some Oasis. We have a cereal for Sarah. Sarah still get her cereal from 6 months, still the same. She like it, so why change? We have oil. Tyler, go slow down. And we have Amanda milk. Amanda milk. Amanda milk. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking about Amanda and her milk.
Amanda. Who is Amanda?
I don't know. Amanda and her milk. We have spinach and lettuce for the rabbits. We get a new rabbit, guys. I need to show you. We get a rabbit. That's the exclusivity. The rabbit is here. We get a new rabbit. Welcome to the rabbit family. What is that, Tyler? You're not talking. Oh, the apple juice that she drinks is an E2. Wow.
How often does she drink that apple juice? Tell the truth. Do not lie.
Like
in
this
this house.
1 week, this made 1 week, so she get this every 2 days. One glass every 2 days.
Lie.
Lie?
Lie.
Okay.
1 glass per week.
I need guys to take her in
Maybe
video.
2.
Maybe 2, and maybe she's gonna tell you, maybe 3, maybe 3 that make every 2 days. We have salmon, we love salmon in the family. We love shrimp and chicken, and I think Tyler also loves pizza on top of his head. We have mini pizza. What else do we have? Come on, Tyler, I don't have all day. Come on, you slow. You slow. Oh, we have sausage. And I also need to get some things to boost Tyler. Tyler is so slow. You need to ask something to boost you. We have cheese for the salad. We have burger cheese. I don't know why babe took that burger cheese, but that's fine. We have some ham.
Burger cheese is burger cheese. Any cheese is cheese.
Yogurt is yogurt and juice is juice. We have yogurt. Well, yogurt is yogurt, so I don't know why she thinks
yogurt
this.
Is yogurt. It's
this
yogurt. Or yogurt.
We have fruits. Fruits is fruit. Fruit is fruit, so...
Fruits for smoothie.
Yes. Oh, we have other yogurts. I don't know who it is for because yogurt is yogurt. And Tyler get other yogurt. Yogurt is yogurt. Young food, I mean food is food. So...
Continue, man. Continue, come sir.
That's something to clean your...
To clean your mouth. Don't talk too much crap.
Not to clean your bathtub.
Watch your mouth.
We have onions. Onions is onions, so...
Babe! Oh my god.
I gotta stack him up.
What is this?
Cantaloupe.
I feel myself sometimes just... One...
Babe, what are you doing? Oh my, why don't you drop in Tyler's head?
Well, maybe we
Mama,
make...
is this the cooked chicken?
Yes, this is the cooked chicken.
We have a rotisserie chicken. Rotisserie chicken. We have some cheese for me for the salad, like feta cheese.
Feta cheese.
I like it. We have
any cheese you like.
what's they call sweet peppers, the Rasta color. We always like the Rasta color. That's a favorite color, by the way.
You're going to this
That's
man here.
what you deserve for not doing
We
it
have 3
right.
packs of apples. And guess what? She don't like apples like this. She just buy apples for the smoothie.
Not for the smoothie,
For
right?
the green juice.
Thank you,
For the green
Tyler.
juice. That's the same thing. She used the smoothie pot for the green juice. So what's the difference? We have some
What you gonna say? Juice is juice and smoothie
juice
smoothie.
is juice, smoothie is smoothie. I don't ask you the color, I say for smoothie. We have green banana.
It's
Same
like,
thing.
Like.
Oh, it's plantain.
Plantain.
Well,
Tyler, no, the egg. It's not fall and break.
we have ginger. Oh, maybe ginger gonna boost Tyler. Ooh.
You don't leave me pig alone.
You need some boost.
Tyler, be careful of strawberries.
We have some eggs here. Eggs for the smell of a fart.
Eggs for what?
For the smell of your fart.
For the smell of my fart.
When she eat eggs, my God, you don't want to be around.
Scandal me, scandal me.
Avocado and tomatoes.
Oops, sorry, Mama.
What is
We have
it?
lemon
I think you
here.
pulled up the melon.
You pierce a hole in the melon?
What's wrong with you? Tyler, we need to do it for you. 1, 2, 3. Continue.
She said no.
Continue, boy. Continue, boy.
1, 2, 3.
We have real banana. I mean, plantain is not a real banana. I don't know who
says plantain
is not a real banana. So we have real yellow banana. Have you ever seen an animal eating plantain?
You.
No, but I mean, you can give a banana to any type of animal.
So your point is what? What's your
So
point?
they are the real one. The other one they're just trying to copy. They're like you, they're follow fashion monkey. We have a, ooh, what kind of cucumber is that? My God! My God! It's the first time I say cucumber like this.
When I pick it up, the same thought came to my mind. I'm like, damn. Okay.
I said winners. I said winner on the way.
One cucumber for the win.
We have celery. Oh, celery is back. Celery is back in the family. And the melon, watermelon to be exact, I always have to tell them the English terrible. I always have to tell them it's not melon, it's called watermelon.
If you go to Jamaica and say, Mr. Chin, sell me one melon, Mr. Chin, I'm going to know exactly what we want. So you can one shot.
Girl, she going downtown and she said, darling, can I have watermelon, please?
Then definitely know that me a foreigner.
Darling,
If you ever say watermelon,
for you the watermelon is gonna be 10 pounds. Darling.
Melon, they know what you're talking
I
about.
want the chicken.
Oh my
The chicken
God.
looks so yummy.
Tyler, have you been nice with Papa?
Yes.
Are you sure?
That's it, that's the end of the haul.
That's the end of the supermarket haul.
Alright, you guys.
We're gonna eat, we're hungry. We're gonna clean this.
Go and take care of my child. Am I the only one who just like when their plate looks good when they want to eat? Presentation for me. Love it. Anyway, you guys, this is lunch. We have sweet potato fries, but at the supermarket. I didn't make it from like the real potato, if you see what I mean. I didn't cut them up a bit like this, but I just fried. Beetroot, carrot, lettuce, rotisserie that I bought, and pork that I bought already cooked. So Tyler already ate. Why you face like that? What do you want? Use up your words. What you want? You want dessert? What do you want for dessert? Alright, when you think about it, you get what you want, okay? Watch little miss. Ah, she loves sweet potato fries. What's that? What's that, Sarah? What is it? Hot, hot. It's hot, hot. Oh, Lord, this girl's hot, hot. Oh, I'm hungry. Let's eat. Tell a plate. Babe working out, you guys. Come on, let's go. Come on. Reach. That's it. Come on, let's go.
Minutes 20 seconds.
Oh.
You guys, this is real Jamaican Saturday flex, you know, look. Corned beef and rice. Looks so good. I just need some scotch bonnet right now. And I don't got no pepper. This is nice with some pepper. My God. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's bedtime routine in this house for the kids, and Babe and I at it with bedtime. I just did bath and he's doing story time. So let's go peek on them, shall we? Let's find.